Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing some winter canning. Yes, we're going to be making some blueberry jam. And you should be making your own fruit jams anyway. So here we go. 2 ingredients for canning your own jam. It's winter. Why not? You take your fruit, and then you have green apples for the pectin. The peels, actually. Here's all the stuff. Let's at it. Making jam is simple. Take your saucepan, put a 1/4 inch of water in it, and then dump all the fruit on top of that. The reason you put a 1/4 inch of water down on the bottom of the pan is to help the fruit release its juices. As you can see, it's starting to swell up before it starts boiling off. And then, of course, here you are, bubble, bubble, bubble. You're going to turn it down, but not too far. Pretty much you're going to leave it at between a 5 and 7. And then it starts going down and down and down until you just really like where it's at. And then, of course, you have your organic green apples. These are Granny Smiths, of course. You're going to take the peel off because that's where the pectin is. And then you're going to put them in, submerge them in there. And then, of course, again, this is going to take some time to cook down, at least another 10 minutes. And, of course, you can feel it getting thicker as you're stirring it. And then you take out your apple peels and then get ready to can. Of course, now that you have your sterilized jars and your blueberries ready, and then, of course, you take you can see that I did that, wet the ring, then put the top on, seal it, good to go. And just how to show you how easy it is to make your own jam. And all it is blueberries. And I just use the apple peels as pectin. And it may be a little more soupy than usual, but there's no false ingredients in here. You can compare, there's no sugar, there's no spread juices, pure blueberry jam. 5 pounds of blueberries yielding 4.5 pints of blueberry jam. Sounds good to me. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.